Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm your host. My name is Gary.
Today, I'll be discussing bonus book review.
Title:
The Raw Truth, Transform Your Health with the Power of Living Ingredients. Check out the end of this podcast for a special question about this podcast. Health by Jordan Rubin, released by Garden of Life in 2010, explores the raw food movement, portraying it not merely as a fad but as a long-standing lifestyle rooted in history. Rubin introduces readers to 13 health legends who have historically demonstrated the benefits of raw living, alongside modern trendsetters in the raw food scene. The book aims to provide readers with resources, recipes, and knowledge to embark on a raw food journey.
While some readers found the concept of eating raw and the presentation in the book convincing, there were notable criticisms regarding its execution. A common appreciation among readers was the introduction to raw vitamins and the push towards organic foods, highlighting the harmful effects of genetically modified foods. Rubin's detailed information on bodily processes and the impact of various vitamins and minerals was also well received, offering valuable insights into nutritional planning. However, a significant portion of the feedback centered around the book's heavy promotion of Garden of Life products. Many felt that the book served more as an advertisement for Rubin's supplement line rather than an unbiased guide to raw living. This marketing approach detracted from the book's educational value, with some readers feeling misled by the constant product endorsements. Critics also pointed out that while the book mentions nutrition experts like Mary Enig and Drive Weston Price, it misleadingly implies their endorsement of the author's dietary recommendations and supplement use, which is not the case. The experts advocated sources of nutrients, such as vitamin D from fermented cod liver oil, starkly contrast with the supplements sold by Garden of Life. Despite Rubin's attempt to guide readers towards a raw food lifestyle, The Raw Truth faces criticism for its overt commercialism, overshadowing the potentially useful information it contains. While the book does offer some valuable tips and insights into raw living, the consensus among readers is that it functions more as a promotional tool for Rubin's products than a genuine health guide. Those interested in exploring a raw, plant-based diet may find more value in other resources that focus purely on dietary advice without the commercial bias. Nutrients Paperback by Jordan Rubin. Publisher, Garden of Life. First edition, January 1st, 2010. Language, English. Paperback, 205 pages. ISBN 10-0692012389. ISBN 13-978-0692012383. Table of Contents. Introduction. From Tragedy to Triumph. Page 5. Chapter 1. Raw Cleansing. Page 15. Chapter 2. Raw Vitamins. Page 27. Chapter 3. Raw Greens. Page 40. Chapter 4. Raw Probiotics. Page 49. Chapter 5. Raw Enzymes. Page 61. Chapter 6. Raw Fiber. Page 73. Chapter 7. Raw Protein. Page 82. Chapter 8. Raw Meal. Page 91. Chapter 9. Raw Calcium. Page 97. Chapter 10. Raw Sunshine/Vitamin D. Page 104. Chapter 11. Raw Antioxidants. Page 110. Chapter 12. Raw Fats and Oils. Page 116. Chapter 13. Raw Beverages. Page 128. Chapter 14. The Raw Truth Nutrition Plan. Page 138. Chapter 15. The Raw Truth Protocols. Page 155. Chapter 16. Raw Truth Recipes. Page 183. Appendix. Chapter The Raw Truth Resource Guide. Page 194.
My opinion. Raw is not just a fad, the raw movement is here to stay. In Jordan Rubin's latest book The Raw Truth, Jordan uncovers the truth about this hottest new trend in health that is centuries old. Discover the logical, simple health principles that have been historically demonstrated in the lives of 13 legends of health. You will also meet some of the hottest trendsetters in the raw world and gain access to their resources, recipes, and knowledge. Though Raw Truth is not entirely vegan, it does have a good message. While the Raw Truth book and documentary promote a raw vegan diet, they acknowledge that a fully raw vegan approach may not be suitable or practical for everyone. The core message seems to be about incorporating more raw, nutrient-dense foods into one's diet for improved health, rather than strictly adhering to a 100% raw vegan lifestyle. So while the Raw Truth highlights the potential benefits of raw foods and may lean towards a vegan approach, it seems to recognize that a fully raw vegan lifestyle may not be practical or optimal for everyone. The underlying message appears to be about increasing consumption of nutrient-rich, minimally processed foods, which aligns with the general principles of healthy eating. You have the option to buy the book fresh for $20 or acquire it for $1.25 through Amazon Books. Thank you for staying till the end of the podcast. Here are my 2 questions. Did you like the voices, male and female, and was the content interesting? Tune in to our episode 38 Meal Planning, Vegan Meal Planning Tips for Beginners.
If you like this podcast, why not buy me a cup of coffee? The address will be in the show notes.
The music featured at the beginning and end of this podcast is courtesy of Denmark Music Group. The opening and closing tracks are from the instrumental album Beautiful Days by Darren Birch, released under the title Mononymous, the best of Darren Birch, instrumental songs in 2019 via Darren Birch Music. The composer is Darren Birch. I aim for accuracy, but medicine evolves and approaches may differ. My views are evidence-based yet open to feedback and new insights. No pharmaceutical or medical company funding ensures an unbiased perspective. However, this content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician for personalized guidance on health concerns.